Hey, what's up, AMP coin holder? What's going on this time, my friends? The AMP coin price will be increasing. You can see here 0.48%. It is really good pump up, and you can see here in last 12 hour 0.48%. If the price will increase, so that is mean, my friends, to the price will urgently starting moving upward in temporary pump. Yes, my brother, that's the mean to this is temporary pump, and everybody knows this, my friends. To please don't trust on temporary pumps and temporary dumps. A lot of holders are doing very huge mistake, my friends, when they will temporarily moving upward. Absolutely, they are starting holding, buying more and more, but when they were starting fading down for a short time, definitely they are also starting selling. So I think you will need to be research personally, my friend, but this time I also advise you, my friend, so hope you will understand better. But I just and only, my friend, it give you advice, not a financial video. All right, so my brother, this is temporary pump. First of all, try to understand. But from last 3 days, if we check out, my friends, in last 3 days this coin is completely fades down. So if they will temporarily moving upward and you will starting buying, then absolutely this the total average. If we check out, this is 12 hour, my friend, they will moving upward. But you can see, my friend, just and only you can see here this fails. Check out this fails. As you can see here, they will fails down again. So therefore I will to you, my friends, to the total average is going negative. So therefore try to understand, hold on, you are very badly lost. So please take a decision, you are personally. But my advice for all of you to please hold down if you are already holder, and if you have a plan to invest more, so just in only, my friend, don't invest today, my friend. Just in only wait for the end of month, and after that, when a price will come down and urgently starting moving upward, then sell it. I am 100% sure, my friend, to you will get a very good profit. All right, so Shiba Inu is completely on the trending, my friend. This time 30% will get a profit. So kindly, if you want to invest for a short time, invest now in Shiba. Absolutely, they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.